easy breakfast this morning, y'all. Got some sausage links in here, cinnamon rolls in the oven. Gonna make some scrambled eggs. I was actually gonna make breakfast pigs in a blanket where I roll the sausage link up in the cinnamon roll and then bake them, but I didn't have the already cooked sausage links, and I would have had to or needed to cook them last night and then let them get cold. That way they wouldn't be, you know, hot, getting wrapped in the cinnamon roll and going in the oven. Anyway, these will be hot pigs. They didn't want to be wrapped up. They want their blanket rolled over to the side.
What are we going to do today, bro?
Same thing we do every day, Pinky. Good morning! We're doing schoolwork outside this morning. We have got to get some carpenter bee traps. Look at that. Let's see if we can see the hole. Where is it? I can't see. I mean, they're definitely... I know this is from the carpenter bees because number one, we see them here. Number two, I just swept this up yesterday morning, I think, and it's back again. I can't see where they're going, but they're going in there somewhere. Y'all see anything in there? I wanted to show y'all the books that I got from the flea market yesterday. That lady has a really nice book stand there. I'm definitely gonna go back. I got mainly this Backyard Bugs one. It's the Shine the Light book, or Shine a Light book, where you shine a flashlight. You know, y'all saw the lady showing me. So I got that one for him. I got this one for Sissy. It has lots of different crafts and stuff in it. And I got this one for Jonah, real life mysteries with lots of different little case file things in there. And then it tells you, you know, just lots of stuff about different mysteries.
You'll never guess which mystery is first.
Bigfoot.
How'd you know?
I looked at it. And then, I can't remember for sure, this one, this is the candle we got from that, oh, what was that store called? I can't remember for sure. I'll pop it up on the screen. But I got this honey mango candle from there, and Titus got that coffee mug. This we got from the little farm stand. Strawberry preserves and the candied peppers, the cowboy candy pepper things. Titus already taste tested those. He said they were really good. They're in the refrigerator. And then this is the candle I got from the Mason Jar Shop coffee house. It smells like a coffee house. Really good. We still haven't found a phone. A couple of y'all have been telling me some places, so we're gonna go check out some of those places to look for one. But I did find a washboard. That was one of the things I wanted to put out here, was an old washboard, but they were really expensive at most of the antique places, like $60 and $70. This one was only $25. We got it from the Pa's front porch, or it was either Pa's front porch or Carol's back porch, not sure. I think they're kind of together, so not sure which one it was, but I got it from there. I think it was only $25 because it does have this crack right here, but that's okay. I got this little egg basket from there too, and I'm pretty sure that was it. It's lunchtime. Titus just got in. He is going to be the first one to taste test the pimento ghost pepper dip.
Oh, that dip?
We also have fried pickle ranch dip. We got both of these from Aldi. And I'm going to make some cheese quesadillas. I'm about to shred up this Colby Jack cheese. We also have smoked, Applewood smoked Gouda, and this hot honey Gouda. It's not very spicy to us, but it is good. Really good. How is that? Ghost pepper? Should be really spicy with that ghost pepper in there. Not too bad. Y'all, I think we have built up our spice level so much.
It's good. I like
Let me try it.
It's a little hot. It ain't really. We eat a lot of pepper.
It's at the top of the level of spiciness, but to us it's not that bad. But I really think that we've built up our spice level, you know?
Right. We
Eating those habaneros. We just eat a habanero with our beans and cornbread, you know? To somebody who doesn't really like a lot of spicy food, that might be pretty spicy there. Mm-hmm. It's really good.
I preached at a homecoming down the road, and well, I say down the road, it's probably about 25, 30 minutes from here. And when we got done, the preacher made some, what did he make? It was some kind of pickled...
cinnamon, are you talking about the cinnamon things?
No,
or no?
It's at the other church. That's at the revival.
Oh, okay. Pickled...
Crow, is it? No, he made
Wait, this ain't the Beverly Hillbilly. He said pickled crow gizzards. What was it? A pepper?
No, he made something. Maybe it was green beans. I think it was green beans.
Okay. And they were supposed to be spicy. Yeah, he told you they were spicy.
He said they're really spicy. It wasn't spicy at all for me.
Yeah, it's because we've been so many peppers now. For so long, we've built up our spice level, you know?
Yeah.
Somebody told us we need to go in that Pepper Palace, though, and try their spiciest hot sauce in that Pepper Palace. That's a fried pickle ranch dip.
I'm not going to eat that one, y'all.
That's really good. It is very pickly. There's little pieces of pickle in there. Looks like some dill, sour cream, cream cheese, pickle relish. Good afternoon, Miss Turkey. We thought this hen was gonna be wanting to sit on her eggs. We thought she was going broody on us, but it's just that she's laying her egg right now and she don't want you to mess with her because she doesn't sit on them. She just gets up there to lay her egg, but if you do that, she's like, nope, little privacy here. So we have lots of paint left over, right? And we've decided, well, we have paint and stain left over. We've decided that we're gonna stain the chicken coop because it needs to be stained. Of course, we decide this after I hung up my little chicken decorations, but we can easily, like, especially these, you can just pull these off and stain right over it. And this one, we can just pop off and put it right back on. But yeah, we're gonna stain it. I was actually gonna do it this afternoon, but it's already gotten a little bit too late now, so I'll probably wait until another day this week because it's supposed to rain tomorrow. But we have lots of paint and stain left over, so I was trying to decide by how much we had left over of everything, what color I wanted to do it. If we have enough paint left over, I would like to make it match the house and do Navajo white on the sides, and then the ledges here, like the tops and the corners, city rain, and then the porch, Mission Brown, if we have enough of that paint left over and stain or whatever. If we don't, we're just going to do it all Mission Brown. But yeah, I've waited too late to start it because it needs to be swept off all around the outside, cleaned really good with no dirt on it and all, so that we could roll it. It won't take long to do it. Once we get it cleaned off, it would, you know, we could probably have the whole thing stained very quickly because we're going to use rollers, so it won't take long. We'll have to do a little bit of brushing on the corners and all, but hopefully we have enough left of each color because that's what I'd really like to do. If not, Mission Brown will be happening. Oh yeah, Jonah just reminded me, we're gonna put a fence around the chicken coop too, so it's gonna come out here and then around here and probably about where that stump is that Manly is on the other side of it, and up to that tree and then around, so that the chickens have a place where, you know, we can come out like first thing in the morning when we come out to check their water and feed. We can just open their door and they can go in and out as they want to all throughout the day and just have this big fenced in area.
Open up a gate.
Right, and then at about 4 o'clock, like we do 4 or 5 o'clock, we can open their gate and they can come out into the yard and all then, and then go back up. So at night though, we will still shut them in. That way no predators can come out and try to attack. Ready? See bugs on there? Yeah. A bee is collecting nectar to take back to the colony. But where is its nest?
Oh!
There it is. It's the morning after a rainstorm. Who has left trails on the cucumber plants? Who do you think that is?
It looks like that one up there.
Yeah, let's see what it was. Snails!
Oh!
What's hiding under the ground? What do you think's up under there?
Let's look.
Do you think it's Herman's?
Let's see.
Let's see. It is.
Herman.
Millipedes are nocturnal. Do you know what nocturnal means?
They don't go to sleep.
They stay up at night. They sleep during the day, right?
Yeah.
It left its old skin.
Oh, that's creepy. What's he? Look at this.
It's the evening, and the dark night is filled with flashes of light. What are they? What are these flashes of light?
Let me think. Oh, it's the things that we wanted to catch.
Yeah.
Can you tell me what it is?
Fireflies.
Fireflies.
Fireflies are not really flies, but a type of beetle. A firefly